In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate projects from Asana to Notion 2025 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have your Asana projects and tasks living comfortably in Notion, with statuses and properties mapped so your team can keep working without missing a beat. Start by logging in to Notion. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want your imported data to land. Then head to Settings. This is where Notion keeps all of its import tools, and it's the safest way to bring structured data into databases. Open the Import section and choose Asana. Notion's native Asana importer handles projects, tasks, and common fields automatically, so you won't need any spreadsheets or manual exports. You'll be prompted to sign into Asana and grant Notion permission to read your projects. Approve the connection so Notion can access the workspace and projects you plan to move. If you work across multiple Asana workspaces, double-check you're authorizing the right one. Next, pick the specific Asana workspace and select the projects you want to import. You can bring everything over or start with a subset to validate your setup. It's a good idea to import one or two representative projects first, just to confirm your mappings look right. Choose the Notion team space where these projects should live. This keeps permissions and navigation tidy, and it helps your teammates find the imported databases quickly. Now map properties. Align Asana task fields like assignee, due date, tags, and priority to matching Notion properties. For the smoothest transition, map Asana sections to Notion statuses. This preserves your workflow feel, so lists and boards in Notion reflect how you organized tasks in Asana. If a property doesn't have a perfect match, create a new property in Notion or map it to a text or multi-select field. For now, you can refine later. Click Import to begin. Depending on project size, this can take a little time. Notion will create new databases for projects and tasks, and it will link them so each project shows its related tasks. Avoid heavy edits to these databases until the import finishes. When it's done, check the import log page for any issues or skipped fields. Then open your projects in Notion, explore the linked views, and switch between table, board, and calendar to verify statuses, assignees, and dates. Tweak filters, groups, and properties to match your team's preferences, and you're ready to go.